YouTube, what's up? It finally happened. The payout that we've been waiting for. There it is, 10,000. Let's go over the story. So, if you're thinking about prop firms, Apex Trader Funding pays out $10,000 in the account. If you're looking, links in the description below. Affiliate link. I'm trying to get my own custom coupon, but the coupon's down there to give you a discount. But let's go through it. March 5th, I requested from five $50,000 accounts, $2,000 each, the max you could withdraw. Here we go, March 5th, 2000, right? So that's on March 5th. So March 7th at 12:30 in the afternoon, I get an email saying there's questions on some of my trades. Payment is being held for the moment until I respond and can prove that my trading strategy is an actual strategy and that these three trades were not just based on a windfall because of news related trades. So, what I do, here's the Apex help page, and here's their inquiry, and here's what I needed to written. I got a whole video on this, whole explanation of I thought I was going to get denied, but I proved that I was within my strategy, and then here you go. Thank you for your explanation. The payout requests are now approved. So if we go back, they sent that at May 7th. So here we are on, or excuse me, March 5th, I requested payout. March 7th, I get this email at 12:30 in the afternoon. I respond about 2.5 hours later on the same day. So then, not even, let's just call it 22 hours later, on the 8th, they say, thanks for the explanation, payouts approved. So here's the next email as well. On Monday, March 11th, the payout request from March 1st through 5th request has been sent to the account specified on the website. So here we are again. Request on the 5th, get a email on the 7th saying, hey, you need further explanation. I respond the same day. The 8th, they say, hey, thanks for your explanation. We see that you were actually using a real strategy, and those trades weren't based on windfall news event. Here we are, this email on the 11th saying payment approved. And then what do we get today? We get Saturday the 16th at 5:31 a.m. $10,000 from Apex Trader into my bank account. If anyone wants to track, you could, if you don't know this, if someone says they've been paid out in the last however long, this goes back 3 months, scroll to the bottom of the Apex website, go to payouts, and this lists everyone that's actually been paid out, and it'll show for the last 3 months. I know that I'm on page 9 because I just looked so I could make this section of the video. But here I am right here. 5 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $2,000 each. And here we are here. So where do we go from here? Well, on Tuesday, I will be able to withdraw another $2,000 from these accounts. This will be the second withdrawal from the same 5 accounts that I just received payment from. If you watch my other videos, I had a very rough week. Up until this week, I've been green every day. But 3 times this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I got obliterated. I overtraded. I revenge traded. I didn't stick to my strategy. I traded the New York session when all my profits been coming from the London session on a specific trade that I do. And I was like, let me just try this new strategy that I've been doing in London. Let's see if it applies to New York. It does not. And I got totally obliterated, and I held trades way longer than my $425 max. I let that go 6, 7 times that amount, and I just obliterated myself. On Monday after when it happened, you can watch the other video. I did a follow-up on this of losing 35,000 in one day, making back 25,000 on Thursday. It's just very rough couple days for me. But this morning when I woke up, grabbed my phone, and I seen $10,000 in the bank account. Damn, that felt good. So Apex pays. There's plenty of other people that say Apex pays, but some people might not believe it or this or that. I'm not affiliated with anyone. Yes, there is an affiliate link below, but they're not paying me to put that there or anything like that. This is true, genuine. I mean, you can see in the very first video, I got emotional when it said, when I was able to just withdraw the money, and it wasn't even approved yet. But now, here we go. We got these 5 accounts. Actually, not even this one. This one has to be over $2,600. In my last video, I was like, I'm going to let these accounts blow. This one here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because I was like, they're so low that I'm just going to withdraw them out. But come to find out, you need to have $2,600 in the account to withdraw from it. So we're going to have a little micro challenge here, I guess, this week or over the coming weeks to see if I could bring these 5 accounts back from what I was considering the dead, because I had written them off in yesterday's video. So the plan this week, or at least for Monday, Tuesday, and possibly Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, I have to trade these 5 accounts to get the payout. These are over the amount. This one's $195 away. This one's, let's just call it $300 away. $289 away. And then this account here, if I make another 900, we'll call it, I can request, up to 14,000 on this week. I'm not pushing it because I pushed it this week and I just obliterated myself. We're not going to do that. We're going to stick to my London session, my London trade my bread and butter that's been getting me, a lot here. We'll go show my TradeZella real quick, which again, I'm going to update differently somehow so that all these accounts are, we'll just turn this off and just show account 12. You can kind of get an idea of how this has been. Range, we'll do the last 30 days so you could see. Look at this. This is February, all green. Again, we've gone over this in previous videos. And then this one trade was a negative for this account, but overall the counts in total were green for the day. But look at this. Minus 1,700, minus 2,600. Fridays I didn't yet upload, and it's going to be a killer. It's like 3,400 or so, 3,500. So basically I just added Monday and Tuesday together, and then we got Friday. Just totally killed myself here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to trade slower this week. Try to request a payout from these 4. Get this one over. Another $200 to be able to withdraw. Hopefully higher. Get this up another, let's call it $1,000, and get this one up another $300. And try to request 14,000 on. They're eligible on Tuesday. Depending how close I am or whatever, we might wait till Wednesday to withdraw. But if we're over the safety net of $2,600, I'm gonna withdraw them. With the 1-day pass already, I already have these passed. I did sign all 4 this morning. I'm just gonna wait to pay. This is a eval that I just activated as well. So this gives me what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, and then these 4 I'll pay for after this video. That's 16 accounts we could start with on Monday or Sunday night for the London session. And we'll take it slow. Try to get those accounts back up over the threshold, and not going to rush anything. I'm going to trade micros this week just because this past week, trading 1 mini which is I've been doing since the last this day here, the 21st. But something just wasn't clicking this week between the trade in the New York session, over trading, revenge trading. Just a very bad week. Obviously, this last week was rollover as well. That could have played a part, but I don't know, I just was not focused. I didn't get good sleep, and I think I was so excited about finally making it to the payout, and then all these other accounts, and I made an account like, oh, I'm gonna put my potential $38,000 payout and this and that, and I just jinxed myself, and we may just end up with 14,000, which is still an amazing amount. But it's not where we could have been, especially if you watched yesterday's video and seen how many PA accounts were in profit, had the days, and I just had to not trade. I didn't even have to trade them. They were already there. They already had the 10 days. It's just, it is what it is. We're just going to push forward, keep trading. Again, stick to my London trade. It's my bread and butter. It's what's made the money for me, and it's got me to this point. So there's no reason for me to deviate from that when I already have a system that clearly works. It's got me paid out. It's going to push forward to April to hopefully have a full 20 days or 20 PAs to trade in a day. I'm going to set my eye on like a $400 limit. Once I make $400 in a day, done. My current total that I would like to was aiming for was like $750 a day. I felt, yes, that's obtainable. If you watch my previous videos, I've had days where I was up, 16, 17, 1800. I just stayed in the trade and just kept moving the stops up. Just trailed it manually, just whatever. And I got away from that this week and just let my losses just grow big time. But if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Appreciate you subscribing, like, comment. If you're thinking about joining Apex, there's a link in the bottom description. If you need a coupon code to use, the coupon is there as well. It does give you the same coupon or discount as everybody else, but it gives back to me. I'm just trying to get the threshold amount so I can get a custom coupon instead of some weird J. Hickbus. So that they currently gave me some weird, whatever. Anyway, thanks. Until the next one, probably tomorrow. We'll see what we're going to do for tomorrow's video. Let me know, what would you like to see? I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. The emotions, the scatterbrainness of it all. It's the trader's life, Let's, so, yeah. Let me know what you want to see. Let's see if we can get it done. Good luck. Stay green. Thanks.